How to create a safe sender list in Gmail. So this in case you want to make sure that any email you want basically can make it to your inbox and never goes to spam or other folders. And basically you can specify which sender you care about. So basically it's not all the emails. So we will need to add these people or senders to a specific list so that they can hit our inbox every time, especially for the important emails. So first you want to open up the email from the sender that you care about, and then basically go to the sender profile logo right here, and then hover over it with your mouse, and it should bring up this window right here. Then click on the Add to Contacts icon at the top right hand side. And you can also do the same thing to add contacts by clicking on the Contacts icon at the right hand side, and then manually add contacts by clicking on Create Contacts. And basically you have to fill out the information manually, unlike this icon right here. And now anytime somebody from your contacts sends you an email, it will basically have the priority to go straight to your inbox because contacts are trusted. And like that, you have created a safe list of senders that can basically send you important emails and always hit your inbox. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.